In this video, I will show you how to transfer ownership on Discord. So first of all, you have to open up your Discord application. Now on the application's main interface, first of all, you have to select the server on which you want to transfer the ownership. Once you have selected that server, what you have to do is that you have to make sure that the person that you want to make an owner is present in that server and is an active user. After that, you have to click on your server's name that is present at the top left corner of your screen. Now from here, you will see an option that says server settings. So you have to click on that. Now on the server settings, you have to scroll down and click on members. In the members, you have to select the person that you wish to make an owner. After that, tap on the three dots that are present in front of that person's account. Now you will see an option that says transfer ownership, so you have to click on that. Now again, you have to toggle this option on, then click on transfer ownership. Once you are done with that, you will receive an email with a verification code. So you simply have to enter the verification code that you just received on your email. Once you enter the verification code, you very simply have to click on transfer ownership and you will be able to easily change the owner of your Discord server. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.